cook?
Crazy chef.
Crazy chef. So, where's awesome? There he is.
No, 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 no. No, don't. No.
It's time to
You.
check you into a
I got you, I beat you.
how?
Yeah, you have to let me go or I'll eat you up.
What? You need Robux.
No, I just bite you. I just bite you. You got damage, you got damage.
How did you do that?
Let me go.
We're going to pay.
I'll bite you again.
You will pay.
Bro, what the hell are you aiming? Ah! Let me go, bro. Let me go. I'm gonna bite you.
Stop or else.
You threw me out of the map.
Wow. Okay.
Dude, I'm still alive. You threw me out of the map.
What the?
Okay, my turn.
Okay.
Ooh, you're right there. Wait, what? Why can't I get you? Why can't I get you? No, look at that mine.
Bro, I can't eat you, bro. Where is she? Do you have Robux?
No. I
Then why-
sliced you.
Then how can I not eat you?
What do you mean eat? I literally bited you. I bited you when you got hold. You
You can't catch me.
Brother's eating sign. I can't grab you.
Ha ha ha.
Do this annoying eating sign.
Ha ha. Can you just fling me?
I already see you. I'm going to catch up. Come on. Bro, this eating thing. Slide.
I'm actually biting you.
Now you have to press. You got to press me, bro. Why do you have so much money?
Because I play this game.
I'm in the squid. Everybody knows. I played this game before. I say please and be close. Wait, you got squished?
Nope. Yay, I want to turn into a nugget. Well, thanks for the lagging.
Mystery chef. Yo, you look so fat. Why you look so wide? I think you will be the perfect yum yum yum.
Oh, she's flinking lagging.
Okay, my turn to run. You will never find me. Yo, I can chop you down. I'm going to chop you. Let me go
I
around.
also have a knife. Look at this, I also have a knife.
We go. I'm going to fight you.
Stop that.
Ah!
You're the perfectest dinner ever. What the Sigma?
Wait, why is there a big toast? Ah!
There's a big toast.
Why is that so big? Why is there a big waffle?
Make the. Make the.
I'm going to bite you, bro.
Make the. Why are you so thin? I think you're the perfectest one.
No, I'm going to bite you. Let me go. Let me go. No. Dude, I'm not even cooked.
Wow. Taste.
I'm glitching, bro. Ah! Yo! Stop eating me. My turn.
Nobody's going to like me if I just was like this.
Nah, I don't care about that. First of all, I'm gonna make you chop then. No, I'm gonna make dog. I'm gonna make dog.
Bite.
Out.
Bite.
Waffle time. You're stuck. Now you can escape, bro. You cannot escape. I'm going to cook you over again.
Hey!
Yo, it's big. It's getting bigger.
No.
The waffle's getting bigger. Yo, I'm gonna make you the biggest waffle in the world. I won't let you die, bro. The biggest waffle in the world. It's gonna be perfect.
Oh, I'm a big waffle.
Gonna be the biggest waffle in the world. Ay, stop moving. Your waffle's getting bigger. Bro, look at this. The biggest waffle in the world. Hey, what are you doing? Yo, it's getting bigger. The biggest waffle in the world. Dude, I need to make the biggest waffle in the world so everyone will like. So someone will like it. Wait, it's not working.
I'm getting more luckier.
Okay, I think it's not working anymore. I'm just gonna put you in the popcorn.
Now I can't see properly.
Wait, what happened? Okay, it works. Okay, I think you're ready. I think you're ready now. I'm going to show everyone biggest waffle in the world and prove them wrong. It's so delicious. Bro, I only got 10 pesos. I only got 10.
Mine is more bigger.
You're so big, bro. You're the biggest waffle in the world. Why did you kill bro?
My turn.
Yo, am I popping already? I'm gonna run.
You can run, but you can't hide.
Yeah, you already see me. I know you're there. I know you're there. I know you're there. You're there. You're there. You're there. I am not going there. Sigh.
Yeah.
I'm the fastest hedgehog in the world. I am Sonic. I am Sonic. Bye, Poison.
No.
I'm going to mix. No. Yum.
Stop that.
Wait,
No.
what's happening to me?
You're so weird. Now it's time for your
Wait lang.
pride.
Nice. God. Let me go. No. Look. No. Run.
Rose to.
Wait, what happened to me? Why am I like this? What happened to my controls?
But I can also get squashed.
Wait, what happened?
Have you seen a chef with no hands?
I am not. What happened to my controller? What happened to my controller? I think it's broken. Dang it. Let me go and make it.
Will you pay your price?
I am hurry. Not this waffle thing. No, I lock it. I doing. No, I doing. Run.
A chef with no hands.
How did you grab me?
Okay, it's your turn to go.
No one's even gonna like it, bro. Ay, it's only 3%, 3 tasty. It's not even that good.
She'll never find you.
Wait.
You're close!
Hey, yo.
What if I'll become the biggest popcorn? We see, I'm going to be a biggest
Nah,
popcorn.
I am not gonna.
I'm going to be a biggest popcorn.
Yo. Why am I eyes red?
Yay, I'm turning to a biggest popcorn. Look, I'm bigger.
Yo, my head is already like this.
Look, this big waffle.
I'm going to get squished.
I'm turning into a big waffle.
Wait, why don't you what?
Am I stuck?
Dude, I got pushed out of the map!
Well, congratulations. Now it's my turn.
No, I didn't cook you yet. Where are you, dummy?
I'm
I
stuck.
ain't nothing that's like.
I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm stuck. I'm very stuck, dude. I'm very 100% stuck.
Are you sure?
Yep, I am 100% stuck. Yay, the coolest one. Wee.
I'm gonna cook you up. Time to get eaten. You will pay the price. Yum, who the Sigma is this? Nah, this guy eaten you too. Nah, he stole all the snacks. He stole everything.
I'm going to get
He stole
the ring.
everything.
I'm going to get. So make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want more videos of us in the chef, make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.
Yeah, like and subscribe.